My name is Shaun Cain. Been with the city of Fresno for 8 years. Started off in landscape maintenance and worked up to my dream job as a heavy equipment operator. Right now, even with the heat, we got the potholes are popping up everywhere. Never any shortage of work. You know, the potholes we get from the road breaking up, we get a lot of gravel and sand in there. So our deal is to sweep the good sized potholes out and to fill them in with a cold mix that we have. Basically, it's oil, rock, and sand mixed up together, and we tamp it down and then run over it with the truck. Just make sure it's nice and flush with the regular road, so we have a nice smooth transition. There's always been, as such a little kid playing with little Tonka trucks and tractors, that I've always wanted to be a heavy equipment operator. It was awesome to get the opportunity to come in and do my dream job, running backhoes and all the equipment that we have here in the city. Good, you got that one up there? All right. Some people will stop by and give us a thumbs up. Hey, thank you. We see a lot of appreciation. People even stop and bring us waters and sodas, stuff like that. So it makes us feel good about what we're doing. You just having somebody hit a pothole on their way to work and make them have a bad day, and knowing that we're making a difference in everybody's life, their travels to and from work or to wherever they're going. That's our goal, is to make sure that we take care of our part of it and make the roads nice and safe for the citizens of the city of Fresno.